What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Lethal Stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your phone screen. So all you're going to need for this is some tissues, baby wipes, or you could use damp tissues, a bit of cling film, and you might want to use a phone as well so you can clean the screen. So what we're going to do first is get some damp tissue or baby wipes and just wipe the screen. And then after you've wiped it, you get your cling film and you just put it over the phone and wrap it around. Then you leave your phone for 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be back when I've left it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I've left the phone for 10 minutes and now I'm just gonna unwrap the cling film. Then you get another bit of tissue and you just wipe the screen, and that should be a clean phone screen. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like and subscribe. Peace.